Hello and welcome to today's tutorial about how to make the donut-shaped Patriotic sourdough bread. I wasn't planning on making a long format tutorial, but a few of you asked, so I'm just going to use the vertical footage from when I recorded the process for my reel, so please bear with me. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450 Fahrenheit with your Dutch oven in there before you begin the process. Get your dough out of the refrigerator and transfer onto a parchment paper or your baking sling. Poke a hole in the middle and widen it as best you can with both hands. You need to make the hole bigger than needed because it'll shrink right back as soon as you set it down. Now roll up about a 4-inch ball of parchment paper and stick it in the hole to prevent it from closing up. I have a few stars that I cut with my cutting machine. You can use a star paper punch. A lot of craft stores carry these and they are very easy to find. Arrange your pre-cut stars in place wherever you'd like to place them. I sectioned out a little less than a quarter of the circle of my dough to use for the blue area, and you can do the same. Cover the side that you want to protect from the red powder, and then dust the area where you have the stars with your blue powder. I used about a 1-to-2 ratio of blue powder to fine rice powder because I wanted it to be very dark. I didn't want the whiteness of the rice flour to tint it too much. I did the same ratio with the red beet powder as well. Then before you dust the red area, you peel the paper from the blue area and then cover the edge of the blue area so the red powder doesn't get in the blues. Now you can peel off your paper stars. Instead of making white lines, we're just going to rely on the dough expansion to create that. So we're going to make the stripes with these lines and just hope for the best that the dough expansion will take care of it. And pop in the oven. I did 5 minutes, covered at 450. Got it out and deepened the stripes in the red area for more directed expansion. Then I put it back in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes covered and reduced the oven to 400. Baked uncovered for another 20 minutes. And here it is. I hope you enjoy it. And I'm excited to see all your creations. If you are on any of the social media platforms, my handle is the same, sourdough_Sophie. On Facebook, it's sourdough Sophie, one word. Thank you for being here and happy baking.